YouTube? It's your boy Tony back in the dungeon. You already seen the thumbnail, so you know why you're here. I hit on a restock. Let's get into it. Without further ado, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit subscribe. Go ahead and hit like. Get notified every time we upload. So go ahead and hit that bell too, somewhere in this area. And let's get into the shoes, man. So what we have here is, hold on, let me check the box. The Air Jordan 11 Retro Low. Official colorway on this joint is black, gem red, white, and sail. You may know these by another name. These are the 72 and 10 lows. So before I even get started, let me read so y'all know a little back history on the shoe, you know what I'm saying? Retail on these joints, not even on there. Retail was $190. And alright, here we go. Description. Jordan brand honored Michael Jordan and the Chicago Bulls historic 72 win that was 1995 to 1996 with the Air Jordan Low 72 and 10. The Air Jordan Low 72 and 10 boasts a black tumble leather upper with the signature patent leather mud guard, woven lace loops. On the interior is an embroidered tongue that reads, inspired by the most historic season led by the greatest player ever, which tributes Michael's monumental accolade. From there, a semi-translucent sole and red and black carbon fiber detailing completes the design. These released in May of 2022. I hit on a restock. I didn't get the original pair, which was high. It was a high, but here we go. Now I can't say the Jordan 11 is one of my favorite Jordans of all times. I think I got the Jordan 11 number 2 after the 1, of course, because the 1s you could just wear with anything, but this, man, this is clean. Not too much. And it's premium, bro. Like, this leather, man, is out the... I got another one up there. I mean, 11 up there. But, even on the patent leather looks like real leather with patent leather over it. Like, it's crazy, bro. And then, of course, you got your carbon fiber down there. So, retail on these was $190. I got these from Nike. Only came with one pair of laces. But you know I'll figure out how to do a lace swap. I ain't never seen the tongue be that big on the inside. Like I said, it says, inspired by the most historic season led by the greatest player ever. Here's the shoe, man. Like I said, these did come out in May. So, and it's the low top version of the regular 72 and 10 11. So, let's get into the B-roll. Close this thing out. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this was the Air Jordan 11 72 and 10 low. These is gonna get beat up because I'm gonna wear them so I can't no more. Nah, I'm playing. Nah, they nice though. It's good to have these in the collection, you know. Just to pop out, like, not even on no crazy stuff, but just to throw it on, like. Quality control on these was good, so they did their thing. But This is Shoe. Like always, man, thanks for watching Unboxed on T and Toni TV. And I'm out. Oh, shout out to the sponsor, man. Shout out to my company, Buck Triangle, man. Go ahead and hit the link in the description. If you ain't copped a shirt, nothing, a hat, you know, we got water bottles, we got everything, man. We got shorts, we got everything. And we got something special we working on with Champion right now. So go ahead and hit that link, buy it up until it's gone, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Looking real good.